Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I do not like to leave the importance of pre-audit. Your reason is because of lack of manpower. Look what is happening. We allow the thief to steal the money before we go after them. Why can we not somewhat review your procedure, especially as mandatory requirement of payment, not necessarily before implementation, to conduct a pre-audit before payment? If only this is done, possibly we do not have this kind of problem confronting us all over the country. My late was a regional director when I was the janitor of the city. The height of the rehabilitation of Baguio City from the ruins of the killer earthquake, pre-audit was required at the time. And never happened. So I hope the commission will review its procedure. Possibly we stream down, especially before payment. Before payment. That wala nang nangyayari. Inaalaw natin yung magnanakaw bago natin hahabulin. Asan ka ngayon? Yun yung sitwasyon dito eh.
Mr. Chair.
Second, last, before I will, no. I hope we concentrate, you being the guardians of the money of government in its utilization. Na huwag naman masyado sa procedural aspect. Yung sana pagtulungan natin to ensure na hindi manakaw yung pera ng gobyerno para makapunta sa proper purpose. Kasi kung minsan nakikita ko yung audit, nababag down sa procedural lapses. Hindi yung talagang nagamit ba ang pera. Yun yung So, those are the points na interjection ko sa Thank you, Mr. Chairman.